Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about the intercompany transactions, and in my last video I have covered about the intercompany accounting setup and configuration part. So in this video, what we will do is we will cover one scenario and process part of that intercompany setup. So let's get started. So the scenario will be, for example, in DEMF company, some invoice was created for supplies, office supplies, okay? And I have created invoice journal and vendor liability got hit, okay? Vendor got credited and office supply got debited, okay? So this is the thing here. So let me show you the voucher. I have already posted this invoice journal for showcasing you. So otherwise it will take time. So if you see, office supply expenses got debited and accounts payable got credited. So in this way, your vendor is now having liability. Okay. Now, for this office supply or for this vendor invoice, our USMF will pay on behalf of DEMF. So how to that scenario? We will see that in this. So let me delete this. So you have to go to, you can use journal also, but let's take vendor payment. So for vendor payment, you have to go to accounts payable and payments and vendor payment journals. Now here click on new button and select the vendor payment journal. Click on lines. Here in company, select your company from where vendor belongs. So it in my case DEMF. Okay. Now here this is my vendor. I believe same vendor I'm taking. Let me check once. Yes, D is 01001. This is the vendor. If I click on settle transaction, here if I scroll down, I will see that my invoice. Okay, so mark this invoice and click OK. Now amount is in debit part, so I will select some bank account. Let's take this one only and let's validate this and stimulate the posting. Now everything looks okay. I will post this payment. Now it is posted. I will check the vouchers here. So if I open this intercompany accounting in second tab, general ledger, intercompany accounting for DEMF. Okay, so debit is this account, credit is this account. So for voucher transaction, it in this company in USMF system didn't hit any vendor. It hit this our receivable account, which is debit account. Okay, if you see here, this is the debit account and debit account. It hit the debit account, and in my company where this vendor belongs, it will hit uh, with not with bank account, it will hit with our accounts payable, sorry, intercompany payable account. So for that, you can go to related vouchers and check the vouchers. So here you will see accounts payable got hit and intercompany payable also got hit. So let me show you. So let me go to the DMF. Okay, it is fine. Accounts payable, all vendors. So you will get clear picture of that. So let's open this transaction. So this is the payment transaction. Okay, and let's click on voucher. Now here you will see for that generally it should hit with bank if we are paying with bank, but in case of intercompany scenario it will hit the intercompany accounting setup accounts. So basically you have to keep in mind that here it will, let me go back, here it will hit bank account with account receivable, and here it will hit accounts payable and uh, intercompany payable account. So the basic entry is uh, vendor account DR to bank, but these are the intercompany accounts which will be debited and credited with the same amount. Okay, so this is how it work. So that is the process part. If you have any doubt or query in this thing, please let me know in the comment. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.